Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Nissan Leaf battery. We will cover understanding common degradation, diagnosing issues, and applying effective maintenance strategies. You'll learn practical steps to assess your battery's health and implement habits that can significantly extend its useful life. This guide aims to empower you with the knowledge to keep your electric vehicle running efficiently for many years. Nissan Leaf batteries, like all lithium-ion packs, experience natural degradation over time. Early models, lacking liquid cooling, showed higher degradation rates, sometimes 18% after 5 years. Factors like consistent exposure to high temperatures and frequent rapid charging can significantly accelerate this process. Understanding these elements is crucial for managing your vehicle's long-term performance and range. To accurately assess your battery's health, start with the dashboard's capacity gauge, which displays up to 12 bars. For a more precise reading, an OBD-ROMAN2 adapter paired with an app like Leaf Spy can provide detailed metrics such as state of health and individual cell voltages. Pay attention to any noticeable reduction in driving range or unexpected drops in charge, as these are key indicators of degradation. To extend your Nissan Leaf battery's life, aim to keep its charge between 20 and 80%, avoiding consistent full charges or deep discharges. Minimize frequent rapid charging and protect your vehicle from extreme heat or cold. For significant degradation, individual cell replacement can be an option, costing around $500 for a module plus $2,000 for labor. These practices help maintain optimal battery performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.